Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's see what's inside the box. I know I bought something in Amazon. It's in my name, but I don't know is it for me or for my husband. Let's go! Samahan niyo ako guys. Kung anong laman ito, tingnan natin. Box number 1. Christmas guys, yung pangdikit nila guys, na Christmas na talaga. Let's see. Oh, it's not for me. You know guys, who's this for? For our horses. Do you see that? Yeah. This is portable electrical fence wire. So, para di na magpunta yung horses kahit saan ito malapit sa bahay guys. Kasi sinisira na yung mga tanim. Alam nyo guys, yung horse namin, yung trunk ng car, may laman na pagkain. Alam mo, kinakagat-kagat nila yung yung car. Kaya kailangan namin maglagay ng ganito. Naamoy kasi nila yung food. Oh guys, here you go. For me. Let's see how it works. It's a universal microphone for vlogging guys. Hopefully it works good for my iPhone. Okay, what's next? Oh yeah! Ito guys. iCity Mobile 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal for a smartphone guys. Let's see how it works on my phone, and we'll give a review later. Okay, one box down. Excited na ba kayo guys malaman kung anong result ng nito sa aking phone. Next guys, tabi mo natin ito, tapos na tayo dito. O hindi pa mamaya. Buksan ko ang buo yan. Uulitin ko naman. Ito muna tayo sa second box. Christmas is coming to town. Okay. It's not for me. Oh, this is for me guys. Look. Microphones. You wanna see what's inside guys? Here we go. Ang ganda ng lagayan niya, parang lagayan ng pera. Oh, ganito pala siya. Ito. Oh, umiyak ng baby ko. Stop muna tayo sa unboxing na ito. At ito, last but not least, para doon sa wire para sa horses.